Flying side kick, kick tip. Before getting into your flying side kick, make sure you have a proper side kick by itself. Otherwise, this is pretty much jumping the gun and you want to make sure you have your basics down first. Now that you got your side kick out of the way, first things up is your takeoff. Most common mistake when people start doing a flying side kick, they take off both feet. Unlike other jump kicks like jump front kicks, jump roundhouse kicks, this is a one-legged takeoff. So if you're not doing that already, let's get down to it. The way I like doing my flying side kick setup is in 3 movements. Step 1, step 2, lift off. You're going to take your first steps with the leg that you're going to be kicking with. So in this case, I'm going to be kicking with my right. I'm going to step with my right first. So as I am doing this, when I'm stepping, after my second step, I'm going to bring this leg up into a chamber for my side kick. The act of me lifting my leg up and almost scooping it is what's going to help me get the momentum and the jump height that I need to make it a flying side kick. Depending on the way you want to execute your flying side kick, whether it be for height or for distance, is going to determine how you bring up that chamber takeoff. If I'm going for height, if I'm going for distance. The direction that I'm bringing my knee up is going to determine whether I go higher or further out. So that's important to keep in mind when you're executing your flying side kick. Now, just like every kick, you have to make sure your hands are not all over the place. So whether you be from Taekwondo, from karate, from some other martial art, doesn't matter. Make sure you have a ready position. Just make sure that you're not kicking like this. Chicken wings are no bueno whatsoever. Not only are they not really efficient in regards to protecting your size, but they just kind of look ridiculous, and you do not want to look like a chicken with its head on. That's why, bringing it back to point again, make sure you have your basics down and a base side kick down, so that way when you start flying through the air, it's going to look as clean as possible. All in all, this is a really fun kick to practice and get into, especially when you start trying to hit for targets and for board breaking, if that's part of your martial arts training system. If you're trying to get higher and longer distances with those side kicks, just start focusing on some individual leg exercise that will help you build up the strength and the jump height that you need. Singular calf raises are pretty good. Pistol squats are pretty good. I would, for variation, to start building up that leg. And even practicing the takeoff by itself can start helping you get that rhythm in terms of having a better, properly executed flying side kick. So all in all, guys, I hope this really helped out with your flying side kicks, and there's always more tips to come with that. So until next time, get to practicing, and remember, keep on kicking.